Ooh, girl, you looking like you like what you see when you come over and check up on it. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna use probably this lighter shade and probably mix it up with this darker shade over here. I'm gonna blend this like so. I'm gonna blend this all over my lid. So I have my Honey from ColourPop, and then I have my Thirsty palettes from I think this is Jeffree Star. It is, got the star on it. So yeah, so I'm gonna take my sweet spot and just put in my crease. So because this color is so freaking light, you want to pack it on there. And then I'm just gonna drag it out. I'm gonna drag it upwards so you can kind of see the effect, the transition. I'm gonna go in with my other palette, my Thirsty palette, and use the yellow in here because it's really freaking bright, and that's what we're going for. Bright, bright, bright. Yes, yes. I'm liking it. And just drag it out. So I don't know if this camera is doing it any justice, but I like how it looks off camera, so yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Okay, so we're gonna come back and after I do my foundation and finish the rest. So we're gonna put this to the side. So I'm gonna go in with my face milk, like always. I don't have a good primer, so I don't have a good primer yet, so I'm in the process of looking for one that is good for my pores as well as helping my makeup go on smoother. Okay, so while I'm baking, I'm gonna go back in and finish my eyes. But for this one, I'm gonna go in with the lighter palette. See if I can find a brush. Yeah. So I'm gonna go back in with the Thirsty palette. And back, I applied my shadow, my eyelashes. Now I'm just gonna dust all this off because it's been on for quite some time. Okay, and my face still looks a little powdery, but that's okay. You know why? Because we're going in with that Do You. Okay, so after you spray this, it's gonna be all right. All right. Okay. So we're gonna let that dry. Cause I clearly put a lot on, but that's okay. That's okay. And then I'm gonna get my highlight. Oh shoot. That's a little too much glow, baby. A little too much glow. It's alright, we're just gonna spread that out. Okay. And I'm gonna apply my lip gloss, okay? My lip gloss. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Please, I'm begging you. Go ahead. It's not that hard to just press that like button and press the subscribe button. It's right there in your face. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Come back for more. I will have more for you guys. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.